If you are considering a new career with impressive growth projections, an amazing average salary, and dozens of career paths to choose from, then cybersecurity could be right for you. Don't have an IT background? That's okay. Mile2 Cybersecurity Foundations courses are designed to give someone with little to no technology knowledge the education needed to launch a cybersecurity career. The CSA1 lays the groundwork by making students aware of the many ways that malicious hackers procure the information needed to penetrate a system, and gives students best practice guidelines for protecting themselves from data theft. The CSA2 builds on the knowledge in the CSA1 by exploring security awareness principles from a managerial standpoint and explores how to build a culture of cybersecurity in the workplace. The CHT and COST are purchased as a package and cover everything you need to know about computer hardware and software. Learn about the physical components that make up a computer, such as hard drives, routers, printers, and how to network them together. Plus, learn the different vulnerabilities inherent to different operating systems, such as Windows, Apple, and Linux. The CNP gives you deeper knowledge of networks, the stringing together of multiple machines and users, and explores how networks, information sharing, and cloud sharing present both opportunities and dangers in the workplace. Finally, with all of that knowledge at your disposal, you're ready for the CSP. This course brings all of your prior knowledge together and prepares you to find vulnerabilities, address and investigate attacks, correctly format reports and suggestions, and explore data recovery techniques with lessons and hands-on labs in our cyber range. Each of these courses are available to you as an ultimate self-study combo. These combos give you 12 months of access to online videos, ebooks, exam preps, exam simulators, and a certification exam for each course. Plus, a free second chance exam is available if you miss the 70% exam result required for certification. You can purchase each Ultimate Self-Study Combo individually for a combined cost of $2,350, or you can purchase the Foundation Super Pack, which includes all of the courses for $1,950, a $400 savings. Whichever path you choose, all Mile2 courseware and exams are accessible through any electronic device with an internet connection through our SCORM-compliant Max Learning Management System. Secure your future with the foundational cybersecurity certifications from Mile2.